What's up, what's up? All right, I am approaching Giac, one of the largest waterfalls in the world, the fourth largest waterfall on a border between countries. This waterfall is on the border of Vietnam and China. So I'm as far northwest in Vietnam as you can go. It's the largest waterfall in Vietnam. Honestly, I was exhausted coming up here. Been a lot of travel, a lot of bike riding. It's a 2-hour ride here from the hostel, which is in Cao Bang. And as soon as I saw this, I'm not even there yet. My energy's already. So let's go check it out, see how pretty it is. I'm already getting wet. Yo, this is solid. Wow. It's about as close as I can go. Then I gotta get on one of those little boats over there. Yeah, you can't see it, but it takes you real close. Woo. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, a beer? No. All right. Hi. Hello, hello. Yo. Yo. Yeah, for Michael. It's a little like being at Disneyland. I took the boat to the front of the waterfall. Everybody's taking pictures. We're just waiting to arrive. Nobody else behind me. Yeah, except for the guy driving. Here we go. Yeah! Hey! Here we are, we're going in, we're going in. China? Yeah?
China, yeah.
China border.
Yes, China border.
China there.
Chinese. Yeah.
Chinese there.
Our friend.
And Vietnam.
Yeah, Vietnam.
Vietnam there. Both our friends.
USA.
And USA. China. Vietnam. China. Vietnam. I'm leaving the waterfalls. I've been here actually a couple hours, and at first I was like, okay, it's fun, it's a waterfall, but once again, it's the people that make all of the difference. I ended up on the boat by the waterfall with the Vietnamese family, and we had the best time. I made friends with his brother and sister, and we were taking photos of each other for a while. Also the horses, amazing. So just one of those experiences that starts as maybe like a tourist attraction, and okay, I've seen it, and then just it's who shows up in the space and what shows up in the space that blows my mind every time, that elevates my energy and that makes it a memorable experience.